Hello everyone. It's been a while. I am just doing a special video. I'm not saying I'm back. I'm not saying I'm trying to film a bunch of stuff, but I was sent I was sent a PR goodie. So they asked me in exchange for the goodie if I would give my opinion of the goodie. Now, first things first, let me remind you all that I have a couple videos posted about Face Story. It is a subscription service for sheet masks, face masks, and I love it. I have raved about how much I love that subscription. There are two different tiers. You can do one that's 4 masks or you can do another that's 7. And I get the one that's 7 and I love it. And I've been doing it for, I think, a year. I think their 2-year anniversary is coming up. I've been doing it for over a year now and I love it. I think I'm coming up on my 2-year anniversary actually in like February. Anyway, they sent me an email asking if I would like a PR goodie, and I said sure, I would love to. And they said, okay, great, we'll send it to you. Will you just let everybody know what you think about it? So I am. So they sent me this. It is an awesome little, it's called a Waterdrop cream. So it is it's Soroci, and it is the Morning Drizzle Waterdrop cream. So Soroci, I think. I'm sorry if that's not right. But it is the Morning Drizzle Waterdrop cream, and it basically says that it feels like a fresh shower for your face. And I would agree with that. I liked it. I have used it on and off for the past like 2 to 3 weeks. It's very, very nice cream. It comes with, so you take the lid off and it has like the little clear spatula that comes with it, so you don't have to stick your fingers in the pot, which I like, to contaminate it. And then it has the awesome little top. Ooh, you take it off and then it's like this white, clear, like gooey liquid. I'll try to do a close-up shot here so you guys can see what it looks like inside. But anyway, I like it. It's a very nice, refreshing cream. I don't think that it would replace like my moisturizer or anything like that, but if kind of, you know, on a day when you're not wearing makeup, you've washed your face, you've done all your stuff, and sometimes your skin will feel a little dry or like you need a little extra something, I would use this. I would put this on. I think it's a great little additive to put in your skincare. And it actually reminds me of this guy, which is the Lancome Energy de V. It reminds me a lot of that, of the light lotion in gel. That's what this little buddy is called. I think this is a fantastic dupe for it. It's a lot less expensive, I believe. I'm not exactly sure of the price point. You can go onto Face Story and figure that out for yourself. But I like this. I think it's pleasant. It doesn't have an overpowering smell. It smells a lot like lavender to me. So if you don't like lavender, maybe not. Like I said, I don't think that it is to replace your moisturizer or anything like that. Maybe to use as kind of an essence slash serum-ish thing before you put on a heavier moisturizer or cream, or just kind of a great extra skincare boost when your face is needing a little something extra. Alright, well that was short and sweet. I just wanted to pop in and do that, and as a thank you for them. I will try to remember to link Face Story, put their little website below. And if you guys would like to see more videos from me, you can leave a comment below and say hi and maybe let me know what you'd like me to film. Life's just really busy right now, and I'm not saying that I wouldn't film them if you guys ask them specifically. I can just carve out some time, but it can be a little difficult to just think of video ideas at random when there's so much going on in other areas, and YouTube is not a full-time job for me. I don't get paid for YouTube at all, actually. Just every once in a while, awesome brands like Face Story ask if they can send me some things, so I was super happy to do it. I hope you guys had a fantastic Thanksgiving, if you celebrate Thanksgiving, and for everybody with all of the fabulous holidays coming up. Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, what is it? Happy Kwanzaa, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year. Have fun, be safe, and enjoy all of your families and loved ones. Bye guys.